Top 5 Best Night Vision Scopes. Number 1. ATN Xsight 4K Pro Night Vision Scope. The American Technologies Network, ATN, Xsight 4K is an excellent dual-purpose digital night vision scope, seamlessly transitioning between daytime and night vision work. It's equally ideal for hog hunting, coyote hunting, and target shooting. It's a do-it-all scope that allows you to do nearly anything during any time of day or night. The Xsight 4K Pro is filled to the brim with useful features and outperforms every other digital night vision rifle scope in its class. It's a digital computer as much as it is a scope. It also offers 4K video recording and image quality, making it a weapon sight that allows you to show off your hunts in all their glory. It prevents you from getting lost and gives you all the data you need. It doesn't stop there. The ATN Xsight 4K Pro includes an incredible 18+ hour battery life, having reliable 5-20x magnification with a huge 85mm objective lens and a mil-dot reticle. Pros. Has advanced digital night vision rifle scope functions. Mid-level price tag. Works in both day and night with rapid transition. Cons. Heavy. Number 2. Sightmark Wraith HD Digital Night Vision Scope. Sightmark Wraith HD Digital Rifle Scope is a high-quality product constructed using durable materials that improve its strength and make it last longer than expected. This high-definition rifle scope is integrated with a powerful sensor that is capable of producing high-quality images. This ensures that these images can be used for a variety of purposes, thereby offering versatility and performance efficiency. We also observed that the same resolution could be achieved while recording videos and improved the overall performance of the scope to a great extent. In addition to the above-mentioned attributes, the product also contains a 2x optical camera system that offers extraordinary magnification and allows you to preview far-off objects with utmost precision and accuracy even at night. Sightmark Wraith HD Digital Rifle Scope is incorporated with different reticle options that can be used for aiming at the target to ensure precision while shooting. Similarly, you can choose various colors for the reticle to improve your shooting accuracy and effortlessly aim for a variety of targets. Pros. Incredible accessories. Removable flashlight. Easy to operate. Cons. Limited battery life. Number 3. Xsight DIY Digital Night Vision Scope. Xsight DIY Digital Night Vision Scope is another performance-oriented option included in the list of the best night vision scope. The remarkable features incorporated in the scope are versatile in nature and are perfect for both day and nighttime use, thus offering a wide variety of applications without any inconvenience or inefficiency. Apart from this, the 5-inch large colored screen can be used to preview the target for enhanced precision and accuracy. You can lock the target using the reticle and make a shot. We assure you that you will not miss any shot using this exceptional Xsight night vision scope. Furthermore, the sliding infrared flash is another highlighting attribute of the scope and improves its overall abilities to a great extent, thus making it our top choice for nighttime hunting. Xsight DIY Digital Night Vision Scope is characterized by utmost clarity and increased magnification, which makes it ideal for wildlife observation and other surveillance, especially in dim lighting conditions. Pros. Lightweight and durable. Suitable for surveillance. Inexpensive. Cons. Manual adjustments. Number 4. Bushnell Equinox Z2 Digital Night Vision Scope. Bushnell is one of the most established tactical and outdoor scope industry names. Their Equinox scope only adds to their prestige as a reliable night vision scope that the average man can afford. The Equinox is actually a monocular as opposed to a sniper scope. It can be mounted quickly to a Picatinny rail or handheld, allowing you to follow your target even in complete darkness. This is thanks to its integrated IR illuminator, which allows you to see almost 200 yards away. It also allows you to capture and share high-quality videos thanks to its Wi-Fi and HD camera. It uses a CMOS sensor to give you exceptional edge-to-edge clarity and outstanding image output. It offers 4.5x magnification using a multi-coated 40mm lens which lets you see up to 900 feet away. The Equinox camera records high-quality video and lets you upload your footage by inserting its microSD card into your devices or live streaming via Wi-Fi. Bushnell is so sure about the quality of their products that they even offer a lifetime warranty for Equinox. This lightweight monocular can help you own the night during your hunt. Pros: extremely affordable. It can be used independently as a handheld monocular. 1080p HD video recording. Cons: not meant as a sniper scope. Number 5. Pulsar Thermaon XM50 Rifle Scope. Pulsar's Thermaon XM50 is a high-end thermal imaging scope that allows you to track your target and head after it without worrying about your scope. It's one of the best thermal scopes on the market. Its high-quality all-metal aircraft-grade aluminum construction lets you take it to multiple environments. It's rated IPX7 waterproof, shockproof, and recoil-proof. The Thermaon offers superior thermal imaging using state-of-the-art software to help you spot targets using their heat signature. These images can then be downloaded, uploaded, and shared. Its germanium optics also allow you an extreme detection range of 2.3 kilometers in total darkness, farther than any other scope on this list. It also allows you to see thanks to Pulsar's image boost technology. The Pulsar Thermaon does everything that every other scope on this list can do, and it does it even better than them. It's one of the top thermal imaging scopes available, and it's an absolute powerhouse. Pros: intuitive, user-friendly, and ergonomic design. Exceptional durability and weatherproofing. Extremely long range. Cons: very expensive.